Are you ready for the kitchen? I think you are. And those are some plants. Kitchen. Oh, what's all these things? Who knows? All right, we're starting out with the blue floor. And we got this little cupboard thing. I don't know what's in it, so surprise stuff. Here's my water filter, plugs, light switch. I don't know, shelves for whatever I decide. Like that little dog that's already there. Then I got my little soba in the kitchen. If I want to cook in that little thing, I can. This will probably get warm, I think, if I understand sobas. Some more dead plants. Fully stocked cabinets. They even came with food, but I feel like those are empty and weird that it's there. I get everything that's in here for now, at least. Pots and pans. Cups, stuff like that. More. Let's check out the under. Oh yes, it doesn't pull out. Oh, this plant thing and a clock. My refrigerator. My cupboard. That's walk-in. Oh yeah, this little space right here. And I got stuff, shelves of stuff. You're jealous, I know. More of the fridge, plants on top. Microwave, coffee maker, more plants, more shelves. Outside, can you see? Oh yeah, because it's like I live in the mountains or something. Out there is a lot of wood for everyone that lives around here for the winter. Microwave. Here's my little gas tank that I have to refill when it's gone. Get a new one, really. Here's my stove. Can close it when I need more counter space. And oven, which is probably just on and off like most here. You light a fire. Cookies that take 10 to 12 in the States only take 3 minutes, I mean, here. And they burnt more flowers and plants. It's kind of cool. What's in here? Emptiness, which is great. This thing, however, is just so fun. Oh, banana hammock, really? And then this thing, it's like just standing here in the middle. I can walk behind it. It's kind of cool. It looked more wobbly when I visited, and now it's good. So let's see if there's a surprise in this cabinet. Nothing. How about these? Because, yeah, there's lots of stuff. I gotta look through it. But really, like, well-stocked kitchen, right? And huge. We've been walking around here for 3 minutes. Okay. Peace.